Hi, this is Kyle Markham with International Futures Group, a division of EFG Group in Chicago. Want to do just a quick little grain summary for today, April the 6th. Just to take us back to Friday, obviously majority of products were closed, but you saw a significant reaction in the bonds, the equities, and also the US dollar after the non-farm payrolls was a significant miss to the downside. When we saw that in the dollar Friday, the anticipation was we might see a firm open for grains. Last night you had corn up 3.5 rather quickly. Wheat was up 5 or 6, and they just couldn't maintain their strength. Immediately on the open this morning, we saw sellers come into the wheat market, realized we again just kind of tested the top side of this recent range and really never saw the light of day once the trade started. Wheat continued to sell. I'm of the mindset that the corn market really is just a follower right now. There's no story, certainly nothing in the fundamentals is bullish at this precise moment, and it tends to just follow wheat around, and I think corn also is primarily trading that wheat-corn spread. You're noticing, wheat off 10, 11 cents, corn down 2 or 3, people coming in and out of that spread. For the soybean market, it did a whole bunch of nothing today. We did sell off into the close. You noticed, obviously, you had weakness in the meal. Pretty significant strength in the bean oil. Realize crude oil was actually up over $2.50 today, so you can anticipate a little left-handed support for bean oil. Moving forward, I thought the inspections today were rather good. Certainly with corn over 1 million metric tons, that's what I would like to see is from a demand standpoint. No reaction. Again, I think that was primarily because of the wheat. And secondly, wheat at 400,000 or just shy of 400,000, excuse me, that's also pretty good for an inspection. So this evening, we're going to see some winter wheat ratings and the first round of, the update on the quality of the crops. For this moment, we'll just see how the wheat comes out. Obviously, I have seen some higher opens on Tuesdays because of, depreciating, quality as far as that winter wheat. We'll see how it goes tonight. Soybeans, I'm more than anything going to be watching this meal market. I thought meal traded very poorly today, and the fact that the KN meal spread is now only 4 ticks wide, that's certainly not bullish. So we'll just see kind of a somewhat quiet start to the week. Wheat is seemingly going to just continue to drag this corn market around. I think a test of 520 in the wheat market, we'll see if that can hold. And I guess with corn, we're going to be in that 378, 380 level basis the May contract. So that's just a brief update on kind of a quiet day here in Chicago. If you've got any questions, give us a call. And don't hesitate to email us if there's a trade or something that you're looking at. Thanks again. This is Kyle with International Futures Group, a division of EFG Group in Chicago.